Hello everyone, welcome to my lecture. So, I have selected one question for you people which contains 8 different questions. Okay, so if we'll get the idea of each and every question, sub questions which are given in the main question, then obviously you can easily find out maximum number of questions which are there in your textbook. So, I varieties type of situation create করেছি. So, we will try to solve the different situations. Already I have noted permutation combination means what? যেতিয়া তুমি এটা নতুন situation create কৰিবা, you will form a new question. Depending upon the situation, a question will be created. So, situation বিলাক বেলেগ বেলেগ. You may add all more situations. তোমালোকে বেলেগ situation ইয়াত add কৰি ল'ব পাৰা, and you can easily find out the answer of all these questions. So, let's start. First of all, what is the question? How many numbers are there between 99 and 1000? How many numbers are there between 99 and 1000? Okay, correct. Such that every digit is either 2 or 5. First option. Second question is given there is no restriction. Third one is no digit repeated. Fourth one is 5 in 100 place. 5 in unit place. At least one of the digit is 5. At least one of the digit is repeated. Exactly one digit is 5. First of all, question like bujibo try to understand the question. Then try to visualize or justify the question. And try to write down yourself. So, first of all, you can think yourself. So, if you are not getting the idea, then okay. So, let's start the video. So, I am going to explain once again. So, first of all, I am going to explain one by one. So, how many digits you have to use? Is it mentioned there? No. Generally, whenever no digit is mentioned there, what are the digits that you have to use to form that number? We will consider all the digits we have. So, how many digits we have? Obviously, 10 digits from 0 to 9. So, all the digits you have to use. So, the demand digits. So, what are the demand digits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the digits. Though it is not mentioned there, whenever it is not mentioned there, what are the digits that you have to use? So, we will consider all the digits from 0 to 9. So, let's start. It is known to us the numbers between 99 and 1000, all the numbers contains exactly how many digits? 3 digits. All the numbers are 3-digit number. Between means what? Excluding the n numbers. 99 or 1000 or exclude kori. All the numbers which lies between 99 and 1000 are 3-digit number. So that's why to have all the answer of all the questions, we will think about the situation which is like that. This contains exactly how many different places? 3 different places should be there. Okay. Obviously, to have a 3-digit number, we have to fill up the unit place, 10th place and 100 place. And 100 place. All the places should be filled up. So here we will apply multiplication principle of counting. Because you have to fill up all the 3 places. It's compulsory to fill up. তোমাকে দুটা place fill up কৰি তুমি এৰি দিব নোৱাৰিবা, then you will not get a 3-digit number. It will form a 2-digit number. To have a 3-digit number, all the 3 places should be filled up. It's compulsory. That is multiplication principle of counting. So let's start. First of all, every digit is either 2 or 5. That means other than 2 or 5, you cannot use the other digits. 2 or 5 or বাহিৰে বেলেগ কোনো digit use কৰিব নোৱাৰিবা. So that's why whenever you will want to fill up some place, how many different ways you can fill up? This place can be filled up in how many ways? 2 ways. Do you know why? Because either you have to use 2 or you have to use 5. So this place can be filled up in how many ways? 2 ways. So this place can fill up in how many ways? 2 ways. This place can fill up in how many ways? 2 ways. It's a question ahib. Sir, can we consider a repetition allowed? Obviously. When no restriction is given, you have to consider the situation of repetition allowed. Repetition allowed to consider koribo lagibo. Because 255, it is a number, is a 3-digit number which contains either 2 or 5. 555, it is a 3-digit number which lies between 99 and 1000, where the digits are either 2 or 5. Either 2 or 5 means if any one of is there, then it's okay. Both of them should maybe there also. দুইটাও থাকিব পাৰে বা এটা অকলে থাকিব হ'ব. Either or meaning হেতুই. Either 2 will be there or 5 will be there or both of them will be there. So that's why obviously repetition will be allowed here. Repetition allow কৰিবই লাগিব তোমালোকে. So that's why this case can fill up in how many ways? 2 ways. Repetition allow mention নকৰি তোমালোকে গম পাব লাগিব. সেই বস্তুটো বুজি পালে ডাঙৰ কথা. That's the important thing to be but known. This place can fill up in 2 ways, this place can be fill up in 2 ways. All the places should be filled up. So that's why multiplication. What is the answer? 8. So our between 99 and 1000, how many numbers are there? 3-digit numbers are there? 8 3-digit numbers are there. Where either 2 is there or 5 is there or both of them is there. But other than in 8 numbers, you will not get 3, you will not get 9, you will not get 7, all those numbers you will not get. Either you will get 2 or 5 or both. Okay. So the answer of the first question is 8. So the answer of the first question is answer is 8. What about the next one? There is no restriction. We have to form a number which contains how many digits? 3 digits. No restriction is there means repetition allowed. To tell how many 3-digit numbers can be formed. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed? Listen. How many digits we have 10 digits from 0 to 9. Can we fill up the 100 place? This one is unit place 10 and this one is 100 place. Can we write down 0 here? Can you write down 0 here? No. Do you know why? Because if I will start with 0, whatever maybe the number we will use here, it will be considered as 2-digit number. আমি ইয়াত 0 বহাব নোৱাৰো. যদি মই ইয়াত 0 বহাও, then it will form a 2-digit number. But 0 can be there in other places. 0 particular places বহিব পাৰে, but 0 should not be there on the left hand side. Then it will be what? 2-digit number. Am I correct? So that's why 0 should not be there. So now my question is that how many different ways you can fill up? You cannot use 0. Are you getting my point? Though it is not mentioned here, no digit is repeated, it is given. There is no restriction is given. But repetition allowed means repetition allowed. But we cannot use 0 here. Do you know why? 0 cannot be in the left side because if I write down 0 here, it will be a 2-digit number. So this place can fill up in how many ways? 9 ways. That means either you can use 1 to fill up this one place, or you can use 2 or 3 or 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Any one of the 9 digits you can use to replace it. So 9 is the number of possible ways. Repetition allowed. No restriction means repetition allowed. That means suppose I have started with 3. Whatever maybe the number you have used here, all those numbers can be used once again. Repetition allowed. So how many ways you can fill up? Can you write down 3 here? Yes. Can you write down 1? Yes. You can use. Can you write down 0 here? Now yes, it is okay to write down 0 here because we can use 0 in the 10th place. So how many possibilities are there? Obviously 10 possibilities are there. Either you can use 0 or any non-zero digits to fill up the 10th place. Well, 0 বহাব পাৰিবা, 0 ইয়াতে বহাব নোৱাৰি, 0 can be used here. So as repetition is allowed, so how many ways you can fill up this one place? 10 ways. So this one is, what is the number of ways? 900 digits are there where repetition is allowed. There is no restriction means how many 3-digit numbers are there between 99 and 1000? How many numbers are there? 900. Where repetition is allowed or not allowed? Repetition is allowed. So the answer is what? The answer is 900. Answer is 900. No digits repeated. Now I am going to start the next one. No digits repeated. So obviously here also we have to form a 3-digit number. 0 will be here or not in the 100 place? No, you cannot use 0 here. So this place can be filled up in how many ways? Obviously 9 ways. Suppose I have started with 5. As repetition is not allowed. As repetition is not allowed, can we use 5 once again? 5 to আকৌ বাৰ ইউজ কৰিব পাৰিবা নেকি? No, you cannot use because we have considered a situation where repetition is not allowed. So that's why excluding 5, how many digits are left with us? 5 of বাদ দিম তেনে কিমানটা digit আমাৰ লগত আছে? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Can we use 0 here? 0 আমি use কৰিম নেকি আগতে? নাই কৰা. That means we can consider 0 also here. So excluding 5, how many possibilities are there? How many digits are left with us? 9. So here excluding 0, you are not supposed to 0 right on here. So only what I have considered 5. So that's why you are not supposed to use 5 once again. So excluding 5, how many digits are left with us which can be used here? 9. Suppose I have written 4 here. Can we use how many different ways you can fill up the our unit list? 5 and 4 already you have used. As repetition is not allowed, you are not supposed to use once again. And this list can be filled up in how many ways? 8 ways. That is either you can use 3 or 2 or 1 or 0 or 6, 7, 8 or 9. So what is the total number of ways? You have a 3-digit number, all the 3 places should be filled up. So 81 into 8, so 648. So this is the total number of ways where repetition is not allowed. 648. So this is the answer. Are you getting my point? So 648 in between 99 and 100 and 1000, 648 numbers are there where repetition is not allowed. Correct? So let's start the next one. Okay, what is the next one? We have done that question number 3. 5 in 100 place, specifically mentioned. 5 should be there in the 100 place. That means this place should be filled up only by 5. So how many ways we can fill up? Only 1 way. Is there any restriction for the other places? No, the restriction is given only for the 100 place. So 5 should be there in the 100 place. So how many different ways that repetition allowed or not allowed to mention for a 1 so we will consider repetition allowed. Remember 5 should be there in the 100 place. 5 is the 100 place. 5 to be the 100 place of mass be 30. Baki jagat asen nai dorkar nai, but 5 should be there in the 100 place. Okay? Am I correct? 5 should be there in the 100 place. Okay, so this place can fill up in how many ways? 1 ways. Are you getting my point? So yakin 530 boy lagibo. There is no any restriction that 5 should not be there in the other places. That I mentioned kora asil kintu. But it is given that 5 should be there in the 100 place. What about other places? No restriction is given. That means you can repeat the letter. You can repeat the digit. Repetition allowed over here. So how many digits are left with us? As repetition is allowed, you can use 0 here to fill up the 10 place. You can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you use 5? Yes. 5 is here, no doubt. 5 can maybe here also, but 5 should be there. You cannot write down 4 here. Can you put here? 5 should be there in the 100 place. After getting 5, you can use any letter in the other place. So this place can fill up in 10 ways. This place can fill up in how many ways? 10 ways. So what is the answer? The number answer is 100. Are you getting my point? 5 should be there. That is 5 should be fixed here. Is there any another restriction? 5 in 100 place. No restriction for the 10 and unit place. That is they will be repeated. To answer any 5 is there in the 100 place, but other 2 places will not contain 5. 5 should not be there in the other places other than 100 place. Can you call them? 5 to be used to by this place can be filled up in only 1 way. This place can be filled up in how many ways? 9 ways. This place can be filled up in how many ways? 9 ways. Because 5 only will be there in the this one place only. Yeah, 5 only, yeah, 5 only. 5 যদি না থাকে, how many digits will left with us? 9 digits. So that's a 9. But here, such type of condition is not given. That's it. All the letters may be used here to fill up the remaining 2 places. So this is the answer. So the answer is 100. Correct? So 5 in unit place. Here another restriction is there. 5 is in the unit place. So first of all, what is the restriction? You have to fill up to try. 5 is in the unit place. That means this place can fill up only by 5. This place can fill up in how many ways? All 5 possible. So only 1 is that you can fill up. So now my question is that here repetition is also allowed because other restriction is not there. So how many ways you can fill up the 100 place? 10 ways. Am I correct? Can you fill up the 100 place by 10 different ways? No. Do you know why? You can use 5 here, no doubt, but you cannot use 0 here to fill up the place. Because, I mean, we have 0 you, the number, whatever number it will form, it will be 2-digit number. It will not be 3-digit number. In 99 or 1000 or nothing. So let's say you are not supposed to use 0 here. So displace can fill up in how many ways? 9 ways. As repetition is allowed, displace can fill up in how many ways? 10 ways. Suppose I have written 6 here. As repetition is allowed, repetition more than one. No restriction is repetition allowed. As repetition is allowed, you can use 6 here, you can use 5 here to fill up the place, you can use 0 even. To me, 0 used to provide. That means all the digits can be used to fill up the middle places. That's why this place can fill up in how many ways? 10 ways. So what is the total number of ways? 90. So the answer of this one question is 90. 90 numbers are there in between 99 and 1000, where 5 is there in the middle place. Okay? So what about the next one? Okay. Now question number 6. At least one of the digit is 5. Listen. At least one of the digit is 5. Remember, at least one of the digit. Listen. At least one of the digit. How many digits are there? 3 digits are there. Listen carefully, very important question. Type is important. At least one means in 3-digit numbers, out of the 3 digit, if only one 5 is there in that collection, then it will be okay. At least one digit is 5. At least one digit is 5 means 5, 3 digit or bigger, eta 5 holo hobo. Suppose such type of numbers maybe will be there in that collection. 500 and this type of numbers will be there because this one contains exactly 1 5. This number contains exactly how many? 2 5s, and such type of numbers also should be considered. At least one digit should be 5. Minimum eta digit 5 hobo lage. How many numbers are there? 99 in between 99 and 1000. How many 3-digit numbers are there which contains at least 1 5? Minimum eta 5 thakibo lage. So that means this number contains exactly 1 5. This one maybe. This number also contains exactly 1 5. So how many numbers are there which contains at least 1 5? At least 1 5 means minimum number of 5 is 1. Maybe 2 also, maybe 3. You cannot think about 4 5s because we have to form a 3-digit number. 3-digit number side of 5 31. So how many numbers are there where at least 1 5 will be there? So we can find out for you. Eta 5 thoka 1 5 thoka kimanta number ase? 2 5 thoka how many numbers are there? 3 5 thoka how many numbers are there? How can you find it out? So listen carefully what I will do. First of all, what is the total number of 3-digit numbers between 99 and 100? Between 99 and 1000, how many 3-digit numbers are there? It is just like a repetition allowed, no restrictions given. This is the total number of 3-digit number. Remember, this is the total number of 3-digit number which are between 99 and 1000. Total number of 3-digit number. No restriction means all the numbers we have considered here. How many 3-digit numbers are there? It is now out of 900 numbers, I will eliminate. Wait. So let us consider to have the idea about this question. Suppose 2, 3, 5. Five and 2 digits are there. How many numbers can be formed? How many numbers can be formed? How many 2-digit numbers can be formed from this digit? Repetition allowed. This place can fill up in how many ways? 2 ways. This place can fill up in how many ways? 2 ways. That means either you can use 2 or you can use 5. or you can use 2 or you can use 5. If no restriction is given, repetition allowed kori diba. So what is the answer? Total number of number is 4. So it will be 22, 25, 52, 55. So what will do? What is the total number of numbers? 4. Tumak kose at least 1 5. At least 1 5 means these numbers will be there in that collection. This number will be there in that collection. This number will be in that collection. So how many numbers are there which contains at least 1 5? 3 numbers are there. Here total number is comparatively very small. Only 4 numbers can be formed. They can identify kori dibo parisu. Whenever the total number of number is 900, how can you find it out? There is another way. From the total number of numbers, we will try to eliminate all those numbers which does not contain 5. 5 contain nokora number bila minus kori dia. This is the number which does not contain 5. 4 minus 1 is equal to what? 3. Is it the correct answer? Yes, we have got the same answer. That is, from the total number, we will subtract the number of numbers which does not contain 5. 5 contain number khini order puthiye dia. Jeta ko totally 5 nai, hebela order puthiye dia. Then we get all those numbers which contains at least 1 5. Minimum at 5 contain kora number khini say. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Divide this one, and this one will lie in the at least 1 digit is 5 here. So 3 is the answer for this equation. Another way is the total number of 5 notoka khini minus kori. So here also we will try to create the same situation. We will try to find out the total number of numbers which does not contain 5. 5 contain nokora kiman ta number ase. Numbers which does not contain 5. 5 contain nokora kiman ta number ase. That means you are not supposed to use 5 at all. So displace can be fill up in how many ways? You cannot use 0 here as well as you cannot use 5 here. Tomara 5 use koribo pariba. So how many ways you can fill up? 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Displace can fill up in how many ways? 8 ways. How many ways you can fill up? Repetition allowed. No restriction is given, that's why repetition is allowed. Can you use 5 here? No, you have find out all those numbers which does not contain 5. So that means you cannot use 5 here. Can you use 0 here? Yes, you can 0 in the middle place. So displace can fill up in how many ways? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Displace can fill up in how many ways? 9 ways. How many ways you can fill out? Can you use 5? No, because we have to find out all those numbers which does not contain 5. So displace can fill up in how many ways? 9 ways. So what is the answer? 81 minus or 81 into 8 is equal to 648. Am I correct? So 648 numbers are there which does not contain 5. Out of 900, 900 er number of it 648 ta number ase jibla 5 9. Then baki la ki ase? Obviously 5 will be there. Maybe 1 time, maybe 2 time, maybe 3 time. So that's why answer of the question number 6 is 900 minus 648. So answer is 2 5. This one is 252 numbers are there in between 900 which contains at least 1 5. At least 1 5 means maybe 5 1 time, maybe 2 time, maybe 3 time. Are you getting my point? So think carefully once again. Question is very important. So what is the answer? Answer is 252. We have got the answer of this question. So let's start another one. আমি কি কৰিলো সিচুৱেচনটো আমি 5 নথকা বিলা উলিয়াই ললো and total number of 5 নথকা বিলা minus কৰি দিলো. We have got all those numbers which contains at least 1 5. So at least one of the digits is repeated. At least one of the digits is repeated. যেতিয়া এনাকনৰ at least condition to লাগে না তাকৰে উল্টা সিচুৱেচন ধৰিবা. At least one of the digits is repeated. At least one of the digits is 5. যেতিয়া at least one of the digits is 5 to equal 5 নথকা খিনি উলিয়াই ললো. Total minus কৰি। At least one of the digits is what? Repeated. So from the total number, we will try to consider where repetition is one of the digits is repeated. Okay, we will try to consider where repetition is not allowed. From the total number, we will subtract all those numbers where repetition is not allowed. Okay. Which one answer is? Answer is 7. Okay, where at least one of the digit is repeated. At least one of the digit is repeated. That is from the total. That is, this is nothing but the repetition allowed. This is the meaning of repetition allowed. At least one of the digit is repeated. কোনোবা digit repeat থাকিব লাগিব. At least one of the digit repeated. From the total number, we will try to subtract where repetition is not allowed. So, how many numbers are there where repetition is not allowed? What is the answer? Where repetition, no digit is repeated. So, 648, 900 minus 648. Because 648 is the number where no digit is repeated. No digit is repeated. But here you have to find out all those numbers where minimum or at least one number should be repeated. This here repetition is allowed. Maybe one time, maybe two time, maybe three time. So at least condition বিলাক আমরা উল্টাকে ভাবিবা repeated বুলি কৈছে না তোমালকে repeat নোহোৱা কিমান আছে সোৱা how many digits are no digit is repeated 648 from the total numbers you have to subtract all those sebila বটাই পঠিয়ে দিয়া so remaining numbers will contains repetition so that's why what is the answer so it will be 2 it will be 5 it will be 2 so 252 is the answer same answer in our part. Okay, at least one of the digit is repeated. So no total from the total number we will try to eliminate all those numbers where repetition is not allowed. No digit is repeated to আমি minus কৰি দিলো যিবিলাক digit repeated হোৱা নাই সেইবিলাক আমাক সোধা নাই at least one digit should be repeated so that's why from the total number we have subtracted all those numbers where no digit is repeated and the last one is this exactly one digit is 5. Exactly one digit is 5. Exactly one digit. Maybe 5 will be there in the unit place. Remember. What are the three situations will be there? Exactly how many times 5 should be there? Exactly one time. If 5 is there in the 1000 place, then 5 should not be there in unit and 10 place. If 5 is there in the 10 place, 5 should not be there in 100 and unit place. If 5 is there in the unit place, then 5 should not be there in 10 and 100 place. Exactly 5 should be there for how many times? Exactly for one time. 5 ever so then how many situations should be there? 5 may be there in 100 place, 5 may be there in unit place, 5 may be there in 10 place. So 3 situations will be there. So what is the total number of this one? First of all, case 1. First case. Question is 8. 5 in suppose thousands place. Then what is the situation? 5. This place can fill up in one ways. This will be 9. This will be 9. I will give you a point. Why 9? Because you cannot use 5 once again. So answer is 81. Case 2. 5 in 10th place. 5 in 10th place means this is the situation. 5 should be there. Other than this one, 5 should not be in the other places. How many ways you can fill up? 0 can be there or 0 cannot be there in that place. If 5 to fix kori lene 0 kotha discuss kora na bol. As 0 cannot be there in the 100 place, this can be filled up in how many ways? 8 ways. Do you know why? Because you cannot use 5 as well as 0. That means these two numbers cannot be used. How many digits are there with us? 8 digits. This place can fill up in how many ways? Only one way because 5 should be there in that place. How many ways you can fill up? You cannot use 5. This can fill up in how many ways? 9 ways. So answer is 72. So case 3. Okay. So here I will use case 3. Okay. Case 3. 5 unit place. Correct? So 5 unit place means what is the situation? 5 should be there. This place can fill up in how many ways? 1 way. This place can fill up in how many ways? 8 ways. Because you cannot use 5 as well as 0. And this place can fill up in how many ways? 9 ways. Why cannot by 10 ways? Because 5 should be there exactly in how many times? Exactly one time. So 5 should not be there. So excluding 5, how many digits are left with us? 9 digits. So this is the answer, which is equal to 72. So what is the total number of numbers where 5 is exactly one time present? 72 plus 81 plus 70. So this is the answer. So answer is 72, 144 plus 81. Answer is 5, 2, 225. So I hope you have got my point. Very long question, but this question contains answer of many questions which are not there in the text. So whenever the situations will be there, obviously you can go through this question. You will get little bit idea about your question. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much. Just pause the video and note it down and try to think yourself also. The procedure may be different. This type is very important. This one. Okay. Whenever this situation is there, this one is very important. Thank you so much once again. Thank you.